Imagine a universe of swirling galaxies, exploding stars, and black holes. And yet, amidst this cosmic chaos, exists a tiny oasis of life, our planet Earth. In a universe of countless stars and planets, Earth stands alone, a unique blend of conditions, a delicate balance of life, a pale blue dot hanging in the vastness of space. We call it Earth, but to the rest of the universe, we're simply the third rock from the Sun, a small, pale blue dot in a vast cosmic ocean. For millennia, humans gazed at the stars and wondered about our place in the universe. Ancient civilizations saw myths and legends in the constellations. Today, we have powerful telescopes that peer deep into the cosmos, revealing galaxies, nebulae, and even other planets. And yet, despite our growing knowledge of the universe, Earth remains a unique and precious treasure. It's a world teeming with life, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. A world of breathtaking beauty, from towering mountains to crystal-clear oceans. Our planet is a delicate balance of interconnected systems. The atmosphere, a thin blanket of gases, protects us from the harsh realities of space. It traps heat from the sun, creating a habitable temperature for life to thrive. But Earth is not alone in the universe. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. Some may even harbor life, but none are known to possess the perfect combination of conditions that make Earth so special. As we explore the cosmos, we gain a deeper appreciation for our own pale blue dot. It's a reminder of our responsibility to protect this fragile home, to cherish its beauty, and to ensure a sustainable future for all life on Earth. Let's work together to keep our pale blue dot beautiful for generations to come.